Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to solve a problem involving average speed and time, using a nice trick with algebra. It's perfect for GMAT, GRE, or any test that asks about rates. Now read the problem. First, we need to recall the basic formula for speed, which is speed equals distance divided by time. Let's start by defining the unknown. Let the original speed be s miles per hour. So the time for the trip at speed s would be 450 divided by s hours. Now, if the speed had been 5 miles per hour higher, the new speed would be s plus 5. The time taken at this new speed would be 450 divided by s plus 5 hours. According to the problem, the trip would have taken 1 hour less. So, we set up this equation. 450 divided by s minus 450 divided by s plus 5 equals 1. Now, let's solve it. First, find a common denominator. Now, multiply both sides by s times s plus 5. Rearrange the equation. S squared plus 5s minus 2,250 equals 0. Now, solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. The possible roots of the equation are negative 50 and 45. Since speed cannot be negative, we take 45 as the answer. So, the original speed was 45 miles per hour. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tips.